Understanding balloon pilot, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, balloon pilot. This phrase might sound simple, but it has a lot of interesting aspects. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the phrase, you're in the right place. Balloon pilot is a compound noun made up of two words, balloon and pilot. Balloon refers to a large, inflatable aircraft that floats in the sky, often colorful and eye-catching. Pilot is someone who operates and controls a vehicle, in this case, the balloon. Together, the phrase describes a person who skillfully navigates and steers a balloon, usually for recreation or tourism. To understand how balloon pilot is used in everyday language, let's look at some examples. The balloon pilot expertly navigated the hot air balloon over the mountains. At the festival, a skilled balloon pilot offered rides to visitors. Sarah dreams of becoming a balloon pilot and exploring the skies. These sentences show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, emphasizing the role and skills of the pilot. Expanding your vocabulary around the topic can be helpful. Here are some related words. Aeronautics, the science of flight and air travel. Navigation, the process of planning and controlling the course of a vehicle. Aircraft, a vehicle capable of atmospheric flight. Understanding these terms can give you a deeper insight into what being a balloon pilot entails. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. The phrase, balloon pilot, is more than just a job title. It represents a unique skill and adventurous spirit. Keep exploring and learning, and you'll find that even simple phrases can open up a world of knowledge. Happy learning!